Hi, welcome to TunesKit. Today's video will show you how to fix Apple ID verification failed. If you're interested, keep watching. First, you can visit the official Apple website and search for System Status to confirm if and make sure Apple ID and iCloud services are operational. If everything looks fine, try signing out and back into your Apple ID to refresh the connection with Apple servers. Just open Settings, scroll down, and select Sign Out. Then, sign back in. Fix 2. Update iOS. Sometimes, an outdated iOS version can cause compatibility issues, so make sure your device is running the latest software and update it if necessary. Fix 3. Reset all settings. This will not cause any loss of data, but will only reset some settings such as wallpaper and Wi-Fi. Just enter General, tap Transfer or Reset iPhone, then tap Reset Network Settings. The reset process will begin. Next, reconnect to Wi-Fi and try again. Fix 4. Correct date and time. Go to Settings, General, Date and Time, Enable Set Automatically. But what if you've forgotten your Apple ID password? In that case, I recommend using TunesKit iPhone Unlocker, a professional iOS unlocking tool that can remove your Apple ID and screen passcode without requiring any password. Step 1. Connect iPhone to the computer. Choose the Unlock Apple ID and click Start. It will detect your device model. Step 2. Make sure the screen lock is set and turn on iPhone two-factor authentication. Step 3. Check your device information, click Download after confirming it is correct, and then the firmware package will start to download. After the download is completed, the system will automatically parse the firmware package. Step 4. Start to unlock your iPhone. Please note that after starting to unlock, all your original data will be erased, so it is best to have a backup. After a few minutes, the Apple ID on your iPhone will be removed. Then you can log in with your new Apple ID. If the above methods are helpful to you, don't forget to like and subscribe.